I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power the console off and eject the batteries so you don't short anything. Once done, peel back the label over the battery bay and remove the 5 Torx screws. This exposes the shell. Use a plastic spudger at the seam and work around. Don't force with metal tools because clips can crack. As you separate the halves, note ribbon cables and the location of the headphone jack assembly so you can access the jack without stretching or damaging nearby parts. You'll now inspect the jack and its mounting. Look for cold solder joints, loose tabs, or lint blocking the socket. If solder looks cracked, heat and resolder the pads to restore mechanical and electrical contact. Use a fine tip iron and flux for a clean joint. When the jack is physically damaged, swap in a replacement. Remove the old part, align the new jack, and solder each pad. Make sure you clean flux residue and any pocket debris because grime causes intermittent audio. Once the jack is secure and cleaned, reconnect any ribbon cables and carefully close the shell, ensuring wires aren't pinched. Clip the halves together and reinstall the 5 screws snugly. Reinsert batteries and power up. Test with 2 different headsets and wiggle the plug to verify stable left/right audio and mic function. If you still hear static or intermittent sound, go back and resolder the jack pads or try an alternate replacement part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.